Hi. We already got tickets.
If you already have tickets, you can head to the door over there.
Thank you.
Sounds good.
Not with anybody. What are you doing? Where are we?
We're at Glow.
Here we go. There we go.
Thank you.
Let's go take a look around Glow, shall we? What do you think?
It's quite cool.
Yeah, 2 for $5. Yeah.
Really?
It's- okay. That was pretty cool.
Merry Christmas!
So bring it down here. Quick, bring it out here. Shiny pudding, extra sprinkles, and fish sticks. What?
Ladies, I think I have to take a dump
Hey!
truck. Dump truck. Get it? Dump truck. This is scary. Let's hope it doesn't move. All right, big guy, get little cart, getting out. Oh, oh no, that's my back. Oh, made it. Yeah, that's what we need. Well, that was Walt. I don't know where my wife is. Oh, I think she's just over there taking a picture. We found Louise. Thanks for watching and see you next time.